If your favorite skirt has a hole like this, let me show you how to fix it professionally. What do I need to fix this skirt? 1. I need a ribbon in the closest matching color. 2. I need one-sided fusible interfacing. Let's get started. First, I cut a small piece of interfacing. And fuse it to the inside of the skirt with a hot iron. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future alteration tips. This helps secure the hole, so when we place the ribbon on top, it will hold better. Now, place the ribbon neatly along the center of the seam, making sure it completely covers the hole, and extend it all the way to the bottom of the skirt. When you reach the slit at the bottom, be careful not to close it. Position the ribbon neatly so the slit stays open. Let's move on to sewing. Choose the closest matching thread color to blend in with the ribbon. Stitch it neatly, following the position of the ribbon exactly as you secured it with the pins. Take your time here and don't rush. Try to get a clean stitch the first time so everything is joined together in one smooth line. As I sew the first stitch, I follow the pins that hold the ribbon in the correct position on the skirt. Take your time and don't rush. If you get the first side straight and clean, stitching the other side will be much easier. When you reach the bottom slit, position the ribbon neatly and make sure to keep the slit opening in place. Before stitching the other side, check everything carefully. Make sure the first stitch is straight, the ribbon is in the right position, and the hole is completely covered. Then carefully stitch the other side, keeping the stitching clean and neat. The stitching is done. Now trim and clean up all the extra threads. The final step is pressing. As you can see, it's beautifully finished. The skirt is saved and the hole is completely covered. Subscribe for more professional alteration tips and don't miss my next video on how to shorten a bias cut